With the amount of money exchanged in a real estate transaction, is it any wonder that would-be thieves may be lurking in the corners of the internet waiting to take advantage of an unsuspecting person? That's exactly what's happening with wire fraud. This crime is a growing concern for agents and their clients, and it's really important to be vigilant and cautious when going through a transaction. In this episode, we're going to teach you exactly how to do that. This is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate, episode 121 on wire fraud. When large sums of money are transferred at closing, they may be done so with a wire transfer. This is just the bank's way of electronically moving funds through a system of banks and financial institutions, and it's done with bank account numbers and routing numbers. Unscrupulous characters may try to intercept the wire by impersonating someone associated with the transaction. They may even go as far as creating a fake email using a familiar signature, photo, and tagline. To the casual viewer, this would be easy to miss, and a tragedy can happen in the blink of an eye. Something as simple as an email the day of closing that says wiring instructions have changed, please wire the money here instead to avoid delays, have caused people to lose their home and their payoff. By the time the change is realized, it's too late and the money is gone. Sadly, there's not much that can be done to reverse it. The good news is you have a team of professionals with your real estate agent, attorney, and financial institution to make sure you aren't a victim of wire fraud. If you see an email or message that mentions wiring instructions, verify and clarify in person on a phone number that you know is correct. A simple call could save you thousands of dollars. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.